Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aaditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Golam Bazar. On last day we have learned understanding numbers up to 999, and in last there is mental math exercises given. So we have to learn this topic. Let's come on topic. Firstly, you have to tick the correct option. 711 is written as. 711 is written as. How we can write 711? Option A 70011. Option B 711. Option C 7011. How we can write 711? There will be option B will be right option 711. Okay, because 711, that means 7 is on 100 place, and 11 in 11 first one is on tens place and second one is on ones place. Now second, the smallest number in 815, 865 and 805 is, which number is smallest in all? 815, 865 and 805. You know that 805 is the smallest in all. Okay. Now, question third, the greatest number in 900, 699 and 785 is. The greatest number in 900, 699 and 785 is. You know that 900 is greater than greatest in all, because the place value of 9 is maximum. The place value of 100, that is 9, is maximum. So 900 is greatest number. Fourth, the number with the 7 in the 100 place. In which number on 100 place there is 7? You can see here that there are three options: 475, 745 and 457. You know that then in option B 745, 7 is on 100 place. Okay. Now you have to come on tick the place of color digit. Tick the place of color digit. You can see here that in 689, 8 is colored and 8 is on tens place. So we have to tick in tens place. Okay. Next one is 203. In 203, 2 is colored and 2 is on 100 place. So we have to tick in hundreds. Okay. Third, 702, and you know that 2 is colored, that is on ones place, so you have to tick in ones. Fourth is 966, and you know that 6 is colored, that is on ones place, so you have to tick in ones. And after that there is given 300, and you know that 0 is colored and 0 is on tens place, you have to tick in tens. Next one is 555, and you know that 5 is colored, that is on 100 place, so you have to tick in hundreds. Okay. And the next one is help Aman put the blocks in the correct basket. Help Aman put the blocks in the correct basket. You have to help Aman put the blocks in the correct basket. There are two baskets, less than 500 and more than 500. And you know that which blocks are less than 500, you have to put in less than 500, that is first. And which block are more than 500, you have to put in second, that is more than 500. So come on, 499 is less than 500, so we have to put in first basket in less than 500. Next is 501, and you know that 501 is more than 500, so you have to put in more than 500 basket. Okay. Next one is 350. 350 is less than 500, so you have to put in less than 500 basket. Okay. And next one is 810. In 810, you can see here that 810 is more than 500, so you have to put in more than 500 basket. And the next one is 600, and you know that 600 is more than 500, So you have to put in more than 500 basket. And the next one is 170, and you know that 170 is less than 500, so you have to put in less than 500 basket. And the next one is 90, and you know that 90 is less than 500, so you have to put in less than 500 basket. Okay, now next, that is next worksheet. Help me find my bus, color the correct with the same color. You can see here that there are 5 children. First is blue, second is orange, third is red, fourth is pink, and fifth is green. They wear shirt of different colors, and you have to color bus. In first bus, you can see here that 10 more than 489. What will be 10 more than 489? When you will find 10 more than 489, you have to add 10 in 489, that will be 499. Okay, so the child of 499 is wear red shirt, is so you have to color bus from red color. Okay, and now next is second bus, 100 less than 799, and you know that when you will less 100 less than 799, you have to subtract 100 from 799, that is 699, and a child that is wear 699, that color is pink, so you have to color second bus from pink. Okay, and the next one is 10 less than 300. 10 less than 300, when you will subtract 10 from 300, there will be 290. So student of 290, child of 290 wear orange shirt, so you have to color third bus from orange color. Okay, and the next one is number after 499. What comes after 499? That is 400. What comes after 499? That is 500. So the student, the child that have wear blue shirt, so you have to color fourth bus from blue. And the next one is 1 more than 899. 1 more than 899 will be 900. So student of 900 wear green dress, green shirt, so you have to color fifth brush from green. First bus from red, second bus from pink, third bus from orange, and fourth bus from blue, and fifth bus from green. You have to come on next, that is question number B. Match the abacus to the correct number. Match the abacus to the correct number. You can see here that there are some abacus and you have to match from them. In first, on ones place there is 1, on tens place there is nothing, and on 100 place there is 3. So that will be 301. Okay, so we have to match from 301. You can see here 301. You have to match first from 301. And in second, in ones there are 2 bits, in on tens there is 3 bits, and on 100 there is 1 bit. So that will be 132. So you have to match from 132. And the next one is ones. On ones place there is 3 bits, on tens place there is 1 bit, and on 100 place there are 2 bits. So you have to match from 213. Third, you have to match from 213. And the fourth is there is not any bits in ones place. On tens place there is 2 bits, and on 100 place there are 1 bits. So that is 120. So you have to match from 120. So now our next exercise, that is addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. We will learn this topic also. Add and subtract, write the greatest answer in the circle, write the smallest answer in the box, in the square. Okay, square shaped box. In first there is 20 minus 5. When you will subtract 5 from 20, there will be 15. And next is 14 plus 2. When you will add 14 plus 2, there will be 16. And 9 plus 3, when you will add 3 from 9, there will be 12. And 10 minus 4, there will be 6. So which number is greater? You know that 16 is greater. So in circle you have to write 16, and in square you have to write 6, because you have to write greatest answer in the circle and the smallest answer in the box. Next one is 16 minus 9, there will be 7. 8 plus 6, there will be 14. 18 minus 7, there will be 11. And 17 plus 9, there will be 26. So which one is greater? You know that 26 is greater. So you have to write 26 in circle and 7 in square, because you have to write greatest answer in the circle and the smallest answer in the box. And the next one is that is given, and the next one is 30 minus 6. You know that when you will subtract 6 from 30, there will be 24. And 16 plus 2, there will be 18. 12 minus 2, there will be 10. And 14 plus 5, there will be 19. Okay, now you have to choose greatest number and write in the circle, and now you have to choose smallest number and write in the square. You know that 24 is greater, so you have to write in circle, because you have to write a greatest answer in the circle. And now the smallest number is 10, so you have to write in box, say square. Okay, because you have to write the smallest answer in the square. Next one is 25 minus 4, there will be 21. 21 plus 3, there will be 24. And 22 minus 4, there will be 18. And 18 plus 5, there will be 23. Now you have to write which is greater. You know that 24 is greater, so you have to write 24 in circle, because you have to write the greatest answer in the circle. And the smallest number is 18, so you have to write 18 is in square, because you have to write the smallest answer in the square. Now that's your homework time. You have to do exercise 6, that is given on page number 91 in your CW copy. Thank you.